Understanding Imaginary Roots, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the world of mathematics, specifically in algebra, imaginary roots. This phrase might sound a bit complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together in an easy-to-understand way. So, let's dive in. Imaginary roots are a type of solution in algebra, particularly in equations known as quadratic equations. Normally, when we solve an equation, we expect to find numbers that are either positive or negative. However, there are some equations where traditional solutions don't exist. This is where imaginary roots come into play. Key point: imaginary roots are solutions to equations where no real number solution exists. To fully grasp imaginary roots, we first need to understand imaginary numbers. An imaginary number is a value that, when squared, gives a negative result. The most basic imaginary number is represented as I, which is the square root of -1. Example: I squared equals -1. Imaginary roots occur in quadratic equations when the part of the formula under the square root, known as the discriminant, is negative. In a quadratic equation, x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. If the discriminant, b squared 4ac, is less than 0, the roots of the equation are imaginary. Formula: discriminant equals b squared 4ac. Let's apply this concept to a real-world example. Consider the equation x squared plus 1 equals 0. Solving this, we find that there are no real numbers that satisfy this equation. However, using the concept of imaginary numbers, we can say that the roots are I and I. I hope this video has demystified the concept of imaginary roots for you. Remember, mathematics is full of interesting concepts like these, and understanding them can be both fun and rewarding. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.